Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic dashboards in Salesforce. Dynamic dashboards are incredibly useful because they allow each viewer to see data that's relevant to them rather than showing the same static information to everyone. This means your sales team can view their own performance metrics while managers see team-wide data, all from the same dashboard. Let's dive in and build one together. First, you'll want to click the App Launcher, which is that waffle icon you'll find in the top left corner of your Salesforce screen. This opens up your navigation menu where you can access all your apps and features. Once that's open, search for and select Dashboards. This takes you to the main dashboard area where you'll manage all your reporting visualizations. Now click New Dashboard to start building your dynamic dashboard from scratch. You'll immediately be prompted to enter a title for your dashboard. Give it something descriptive like My Dynamic Sales Dashboard so you and your team can easily identify it later. Next, you'll need to select a folder where this dashboard will live. If you want to share it with your team, make sure to use a public folder that others can access. Once you've made your selections, click Create to move forward. Here's where the fun begins. Click the plus widget button in the top left corner to start adding visual components to your dashboard. You'll see options to select either chart or table depending on how you want to display your data. For this example, let's add a chart. Choose your report, something like Opportunities by Stage works great for tracking your sales pipeline. Then pick a component type that best visualizes your data. A horizontal bar chart is an excellent choice for comparing stages side by side. Once you've configured it, click Add. You can then position and resize the widget to fit your layout perfectly. Now comes the crucial step that makes your dashboard truly dynamic. Click Edit Dashboard Properties, which is the gear icon located in the top toolbar. This opens up the Properties panel where you control who sees what data. Under the View Dashboard As section, select the Dashboard Viewer. This is the setting that enables the dynamic functionality, allowing each person who views the dashboard to see data filtered according to their own permissions and role. If you want to give viewers even more flexibility, you can check the optional box that says Let Dashboard Viewers choose whom they view the dashboard as. This is particularly useful for managers who might want to view data as if they were one of their team members. Once you've configured these settings, click Save in the Properties panel. Finally, click Save in the top right corner of the main dashboard to preserve all your work, then click Done to exit editing mode. Your dynamic dashboard is now ready to use, and each team member will see personalized data based on their role and permissions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.